fucking cool! Welcome, children. Warm up for the horning. Exhibit A, the horn. Let's have some fun.
Can you tell us how to get to the swimming pool? Because we come from London and we don't know. Someone told us to go down here.
Don't call me white. Don't call me white. Don't call me white. Don't call me white. The connotations where mine has been. Could it be some magic generating the mess we're in? I understand that language breeds stereotypes, but what's it